Are you looking for the best? But don't worry, there are great options available that won't break the bank. In this blog post, we will explore some of the best budget-friendly sofas and couches. Whether you need a cozy couch for your living room or a stylish sofa for your apartment, we've got you covered. List number 1, leather upholstered modern convertible futon. Transform your living space with the best choice products. Faux leather upholstered modern convertible futon. This sleek sofa bed seamlessly fits into any room. Its adjustable design offers comfort for lounging or sleeping. Removable armrests add flexibility and style. The black faux leather finish provides a touch of elegance. Perfect for guests and small spaces alike. Advantages: offers versatile use as a sofa, guest bed, or lounge. Modern design complements various home interiors seamlessly. Removable armrests for customizable comfort and convenience. Easy to clean faux leather material ensures lasting durability. Adjustable backrest for personalized seating and reclining positions. List number 2, couches for living room. Transform your living room with Stins U-shaped sectional couches. This 111-inch modular sofa fits perfectly in any apartment. Its double chaise design offers ample space for lounging. The warm white color adds a cozy touch to your home. Enjoy comfort and style with this large, inviting couch. Perfect for family gatherings and relaxation. Advantages: perfect fit for any apartment or cozy living room space. Double chaise design offers ultimate relaxation and comfort. Warm white color adds a touch of elegance and warmth. Modular sofa allows easy customization and rearrangement. Spacious 111-inch size accommodates family and guests easily. List number 3, sectional couches for living room. Discover the ikea convertible sectional couch, perfect for cozy living spaces. This L-shaped couch fits snugly in apartments. It offers 3 comfortable seats and a storage chaise. 2 cup holders make relaxation easy and convenient. The dark gray color adds a touch of elegance to any room. Ideal for compact areas without sacrificing style. Advantages: perfect for small spaces. Fits apartments and compact living rooms. Hidden storage chaise. Store blankets, pillows, or other essentials easily. Includes 2 cup holders. Convenient for enjoying drinks while relaxing. Dark gray color. Complements various home decors and styles seamlessly. Comfortable 3-seat design. Offers ample seating for family or guests. List number 4, for living room. Transform your living room with the Jumiko sectional couch. Its elegant U-shape and soft chenille fabric invite comfort. Perfect for apartments and small spaces, it seats 4 people easily. Removable pillows make cleaning simple and enhance relaxation. The gray fabric adds a modern touch to any decor. Advantages: perfect for small spaces. Jumiko sectional couches fit perfectly in tight spaces. Great for apartments. Modern design. The U-shaped couch offers a stylish, contemporary look. Enhances room decor. Comfortable chenille fabric. Soft chenille fabric ensures a cozy and relaxing experience. Enjoy movie nights. Removable pillows. Easy to remove pillows simplify cleaning and customization. Keep it fresh. Versatile seating. 4-seat arrangement provides ample seating for friends and family. Ideal for gatherings. List number 5, W Love Seat Sofa W/2 USB charger ports. Enhance your living space with the Tybotal 62 W Love Seat Sofa. This stylish piece features 2 USB charger ports and 2 cup holders. Its mid-century modern design and tufted linen fabric add a touch of elegance. Ideal for compact living rooms, bedrooms, apartments, or dorms. The light gray color complements any decor, making it a versatile choice. Advantages: built-in USB ports keep devices charged and within reach. Convenient cup holders prevent spills and keep drinks handy. Mid-century design adds elegance to any compact space. Comfortable linen fabric ensures cozy seating for two. Perfect size for apartments, dorms, or small living rooms.